So if you have the DJI Action 4 and you want to get those cool GPS overlays like what you see right around here, well, let me tell you about their new remote control because it's pretty cool, and I'll do it quickly because it's Thursday. So the Action 4, which is a fantastic little camera, well, it's kind of lacking GPS. Although a lot of people that probably use a camera like this don't really need the GPS or the overlays. But if you do want that GPS on there, there is a $79 little GPS remote. And the fact that it's a remote even makes it that much cooler. So for starters, it has a very solid build to it, but also it's a very lightweight. And it does come with a strap that goes around it so you can wear it like a watch, or you can strap it onto your handlebar. And the strap is really good quality. It's not going to fall off. So you can power this thing up, and then you press the link button to connect it to your camera, and it works super fast once you've paired it. You also have this nice little display screen right here where you can see your battery life, how much time you have left on your SD card for recording, and also displays which mode you're in. And with the quick switch button, you can actually switch between the different modes, and that also does include custom modes. And then you hit the record button to start or stop. And if you do turn off your camera, what's cool is this kind of goes into like sleep mode. And so you can actually wake up your camera just by hitting the record button, and watch how quick it starts up and starts recording just immediately. And then you can hit stop the record, and then it actually puts it back to sleep, which is great if you needed to use your camera where it's like kind of out of reach. Maybe it's on like the wing of your plane or something like that, and you don't want to like use up all the battery power out there. You can like wake it up when you're doing something with it, and it works that quickly, and also it does work from far away. Now, one important thing to note is the GPS on here. Well, like as you can see, indoors it doesn't connect, so that G, and then it's kind of like trying to connect to it, so you need to go outdoors, and it does take a couple of minutes to kind of sync it with the GPS satellites. So yeah, you need to take this outside and just get it synced up first before you hit record. Okay, so now that you've recorded it and it has the GPS data on there, you can take it to the Mimo app on your phone, and this is where you can actually go through and you can add different overlays like speed, route, direction, total distance, elevation, G-force, and inclination angle. But to use that, you actually have to go through your phone. But that is a very nice option, and it's a free option. But if you do want to take those overlays much, much further, I have a great option called telemetry overlay. And oh, sorry, time's up. Actually, stay tuned to the channel and I'll tell you all about their newest update because it's really cool. But thanks for tuning in to another 30-second Thursday video. I have a lot of really cool stuff happening on this channel, so stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye.